Today, I'm going to review the Caseeto Cordless Handheld 12V Vacuum. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this handheld vacuum for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Hey, amazing viewers, welcome back to our channel where we uncover the latest and greatest gadgets to make your life a breeze. Before I show you how to use the vacuum, I'd first like to review the vacuum itself and share my experience with it. Today, I've got something truly revolutionary to share with you, the Caseeto Handheld Vacuum. Now, let me tell you why this little powerhouse deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. First off, let's talk suction power. With an impressive 8,000 to 18,000 PA, this cordless wonder will obliterate pet hair, dust, and crumbs faster than you can say cleaning spree. And speaking of cordless, say goodbye to pesky cords holding you back. The Caseeto Handheld Vacuum gives you the freedom to clean without limits, whether you're tidying up your car, refreshing your home, or sprucing up your office space. But wait, there's more. Thanks to its one-click dust removal feature and spacious 600 milliliter dustbin, you can breeze through your cleaning tasks without interruptions. Plus, with dual HEPA filters built right in, you'll enjoy cleaner air and a longer lifespan for your vacuum. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, runtime. While this beauty offers a generous 30 minutes of continuous cleaning, it's something to keep in mind for larger cleaning sessions. But fear not, with just 4 hours to fully charge, you'll be back to cleaning in no time. And there you have it, folks, the Caseeto Handheld Vacuum, your ticket to effortless cleaning and a tidier life. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and power of this little gem, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, what are you waiting for? Say hello to cleaner spaces and goodbye to cleaning stress with the Caseeto Handheld Vacuum. If you'd like to get this handheld vacuum for yourself at a fantastic price and even get a $20 coupon, make sure to check out the links below this video to get this vacuum for yourself. So this is what this handheld vacuum sounds like. It has 2 suction modes depending on the job you need to handle. It's very quiet overall and very lightweight and easy to handle. Plus, it includes a nice bright light. Here is this vacuum in action on my dog's bed. It does a great job picking up loose hair and anything else my dog might have spilled on her bed. As I mentioned, the vacuum is super lightweight and easy to carry with one hand. It comes with a variety of attachments, which is awesome, and it is very easy to empty the dustbin. Plus, it comes with an extra filter. Here is another one of the vacuum heads in action on my dog's bed. It's just a great overall handheld vacuum. So, this is how you can easily empty the dustbin for this handheld vacuum, and also how you can change the filter for the vacuum. The best part is that it comes with an extra filter, so you don't even have to buy it. I really like that this handheld vacuum is bagless, and you don't have to worry about buying more bags. You simply pop open the back and dump out all the debris that you've collected and snap the lid back shut, and you are done just like that. Super quick and simple. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.